Hello everybody, welcome to ISD 110. I'm of course Professor S, and this is stuff that I gave you guys on Wednesday before I opened up the quiz. Anyways, we talked about the quiz, I gave some important due dates, and then, like I said, I opened up the quiz. So, just a heads up, and a reminder, quizzes aren't just based off of lectures, they're also based off the reading, so make sure you go off your notes for that as well. The quiz is 30 minutes long, and I think that's pretty much all you need to know. I spent a lot of the time answering questions about random things, but just as a reminder, the spreadsheets thing is due on Monday, and then I'll give you the instructions for the next thing after that. So, see you all Monday. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please press the like button. It lets me know I'm doing something right. If you have any questions about any of the content, please send an email through Canvas to both me and the rest of the teaching team, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Do not send it through normal email. You will not get as fast response. If you have any suggestions for how I can make these videos better, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to roundhouse kick the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified from when I post the next video. Anyway, I think that's good for now, and I will see you all next class.